Hi everybody! Today for math we are going to be learning about tally marks. So we use tally marks when we are wanting to keep track of something we are counting. So a tally mark looks just like this. They're just little lines. So if we were counting how many kids were in our class or even how many kids were in our school, those are big numbers and we might have trouble keeping track of those in our heads, so we can use tally marks to help us keep track. So if I'm counting kids in our class, each kid would be one tally mark, okay? So every time I have 4 tally marks and I want to make a 5th tally mark, I have to do something special. So I call this a tally up. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to tally up to draw my 5. So I'm just going to tally up just like that. When we're using tally marks, this is how we show 5 tally marks. Okay? And then if we want to continue counting, we make a new bundle. So we have 5. If we wanted to continue counting, we would say 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here's my new bundle. I have 4 tallies. I need to tally up to make my 5th tally mark. Tally up would be 10. Okay, so in this bundle, let's look at the first one. How many tallies do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up, 5. So we have 5 in this bundle. Let's look at the next one. How many tally marks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up, 5. So tally marks help us keep track of something. So we know that each bundle is 5. So in order to count by 5's, let's figure out how many we have all together. So 5 here and 5 here. We know from our doubles wrap what 5 plus 5 is. 5 plus 5 equals 10 again. Okay, so that's us counting by 5's. 5, and then we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So let's check ourselves. Let's count all of the tally marks all together to make sure that we have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, tally up, 10. So we have 5 in this bundle, 5 in this bundle, which makes 10 altogether. Okay, are you tracking with me? Alright, so let's continue. Let's make another bundle, okay? So we make 4 more lines. Okay, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we're going to have to tally up. Tally up to 15. So we'll write 15 here. Okay, so 15 is our new total. Okay, 5, 10, 15. Let's keep going. Okay, if we wanted to keep counting how many kids we have, 16, 17, 18, 19. What do I have to do next? I have to tally up 2 by 5, 20. Okay, so our new total now is 20 kids. So when we're counting by 5's, we can say 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, let's go one more time. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24. What do I have to do? I have to tally up to 25. Now I have 25. Okay, so that is us tallying, keeping track of how many kids we're counting, and we're tallying up every time we have 5, and for every bundle, we are counting by 5's. So we have 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus 5 equals 15, plus 5 equals 20, plus 5 equals 25. Okay, I know it's a little bit confusing, but you're doing a great job. Okay, so when we're counting by 5's, our numbers are always going to have a 5 or a 0 in the ones place. So if you're counting by 5's and you get a number that doesn't have a 5 or a 0 in the ones place, then you're not counting by 5's. Okay, so let's just think about what number would be next after 25 if we're counting by 5's. Okay, let's think about it. Let's use our counting on skills. So we know 25, we need 5 more. And we know that the number is going to end with either a 0 or a 5. So let's think. 25, let's count on 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Does the number 30 have a 0 or a 5 in the ones place? Yes. Okay, so every time you're counting by 5's, you're going to start, if we start over here with 0, we have 0 in this bundle over here, then we have 5 more, 5 more, 5 more, 5 more, 5 more, 5 more. It goes, we have a 0 in the ones place, a 5 in the ones place, 0 in the ones place, 5 in the ones place, 0 in the ones place, 5 in the ones place, 0 in the ones place. Okay, and I will put our tallies here for 30. Okay, so that is how we tally, and that is how we count by 5's. Alright, so you can continue on counting by 5's as long as you want to. I encourage you to do that. And if this was a little bit confusing, ask your mom or your dad or your big brother or sister. They can help you some more. Use your cubes. Your cubes are a great way to help you count by 5's. I have 5 cubes here, 5 cubes here. If I put them together in a train, I know that I have 10 cubes. Okay, so keep practicing counting by 5's. Keep practicing your tallies. You are all doing an awesome job, and I'm so proud of you.